like it. We are Buddha. We don't.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back. We're here in the province. See all the people sitting on the side. Traffic. Traffic fury. I buy rice last night. You know what rice? That red.
Yesterday, one Filipino with me bring maybe 50 kg bag.
Really?
173 real.
Yeah, same.
From Kadiwa.
Kadiwa.
And some food also. And his wife. He's coming with, this one, first signal go left.
Yeah.
From this one. And first cut, second cut, right corner. He gave me 25. He's talking, brother, I gave 20. I took, no problem. I not took asking money. And he's gave me 25. Thank you.
Yeah. Because service.
She's talking, your brother very good. I talking, thank you. I not good, you are good.
I buy 10 kg. Very heavy.
Boss, you're old man.
Of course, we're not getting younger. See, they're sitting there.
You see?
That we're waiting bus service.
No, this one is here somebody coming rent.
Ah, okay. For hire.
Yeah.
Part-time. Part-time job.
Yes, sir. Because he's not working in company, he's free visa like that.
Freelancer.
Yesterday, 50 real this one and 10 real this one because he's broken here, you see?
This from Madam?
No, this one
For
my
you?
mobile.
You?
Yeah. And I online apply this cover because this one not available market cover. He's talking tomorrow coming.
My other mobile, Motorola, battery problem. Only 30 minutes finish.
Good, sir. This one you sell?
Huh?
This one you sell?
Sale?
This mobile?
What?
Mobile.
Sale? You buy?
I need it.
Why?
I need it to buy. Why? What mean buy?
What I use?
You take it new 2020, iPhone 16, iPhone 17.
I don't like all. This one is good, be small.
Because why I talk you sell
You have to big mobile. Big too. Okay. You're in hurry. You are flying.
This guy is a hurry.
Yeah.
His mama going.
Mama go to toilet. So guys, we're still here at Cobar, going to the mom. Traffic again. See? Every 2 minutes. Stop.
Everywhere have crowd was.
Because every morning, usually if they have a school, classes, every morning traffic. There's no more holiday.
No.
Only one,
22.
23.
5 holiday.
5.
Government policy. Yesterday one guy told me he's coming this year, is here, is Huber is 5 holiday.
5 holiday. Yeah.
I don't know exactly.
There in only Cornich. You have some program.
Actually boss I don't know, but he's tell. Then I talk you.
He's telling you.
Yeah, then I talk you. But
What-
not sure, not 100%.
What date?
You think about boss, you go to office and open calendar.
Yeah, Lemo.
Maybe coming Saturday, Friday with this holiday.
Hey.
Maybe.
Automatic. Friday and Saturday holiday.
No, I mean the total maybe 5, this one like that. I means you go there and you check calendar.
I have calendar there.
Okay.
but nothing. Only September 23. And
No,
then,
it's okay.
and
But
then
I
the-
mean, you check maybe nearby something. I mean,
yeah. But the date is not good. It's Tuesday. Thank. He said, please come here. Bring me to the airport. Bring me to Cubao, Ibabaw.
I took him, Khalid. You don't not call to Mark. I gave you salary. Second date night time. Took him, Tahir, okay, no problem. I give message WhatsApp.
Yeah, we usually give the rent 5. He know. He knows. Good morning, people of the world. You know, in Philippines, too much floods. Now the Philippines is so.
You talking Philippines, you see Pakistan.
Yeah, like
Chinese people, animal died most.
like a water world now. Water world. Everywhere floods. Everywhere flooding. A lot of water. Because the flood control was
Broken.
not broken. Not doing. Very, very huge budget, boss. And then it put on their pocket. And now and now it was out. Who is the contractor? Who is the, who managed the project?
Pakistan, very, very heavy rain.
Heavy rain, but
And,
there's no flood.
India, no, too much.
Too much flood also.
Oh, too much cow. And,
Cow died.
much
Not
more.
swimming. Don't know how to swim.
But his water very strong, like
Very strong.
thunderstorm.
Yeah,
So not flying, not
I can't control.
everything goes, yes.
Nobody will control
Where
disaster.
too much people, houses melt.
Yeah,
House flying in the water.
yeah. Landslide. Overflow. Overflowing water. Say in the Philippines, now the Philippines, everywhere it's like a ocean.
You see this one's with this right side. You see, boss?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
it's like the actor
Yeah.
in Avengers Endgame. Avengers Endgame. You know, there is a new movie, Titanic 2. They are old.
Release.
Not yet this year, maybe December. I don't know. I watched yesterday the trailer.
I hope she coming your salary good same time.
I hope. I already told yesterday. But the boss not here. He's in. Oh, I don't know where is he. Hello guys, Baskin and Ravi.
Qatar.
Qatar. Ah, they came from Qatar.
This a plate named Qatar boss.
Qatar. Because it's near here, Qatar. How many hours? How many hours from here to Qatar? 3?
I think 3 and 4.
The same also Dubai.
No, Dubai far.
Far?
Qatar is 300 kilometer, like border.
Yeah.
I think so.
4 hours.
This one you see, Bandit Queen.
You know, before uncle and auntie, she's working in Dubai, and uncle every weekend go to Dubai by car from here in Riyadh.
Uncle working in Dubai. Auntie.
Yeah, before
Auntie and uncle.
auntie.
So uncle here.
Yeah,
And he's left from
every weekend going to Dubai.
chap poking.
And now uncle, he is now in London, UK.
Why are you talking too much cold there?
He said that's negative 20. He's happy there now.
Yeah, of course. Not same like heart was.
Not hot.
Yeah, too much heart. Now it's early morning 37.
Oh my gosh.
What time you see? This one? 6:44.
6:44 and then 38.
37.
37 temperature. Nice. It's very nice weather, boss. Maybe today is September. Christmas. In the Philippines, they are preparing now Christmas. Long Christmas. Start, if the months start from there, September, it means the Christmas season started. So now they are preparing to make a Christmas tree. It's the longest Christmas in the Philippines, 4 months. 100, how many days?
120 days.
Day September, October, November, December. No,
Talking 120 days. 4 months.
4 months.
30.
Yeah,
Reserve 4.
115 days.
Okay. 5 days less was. Sorry.
Yeah, because 25
Because 5 days coming
New Year.
right away was.
And every
Hello Lily. Hello Mimi.
He's still alive.
Of course. His boss life so.
Yeah. Lily, Mimi, they are big now. But they are both girl.
Yes.
They cannot produce one baby. Sometimes I saw them.
Because his boyfriend angry.
I saw them. They are very sweet and they are hugging each other like a babies when they're sleeping. But their mommy don't like to sleep them together. They put on the cage.
Same Brazil. Same Mark. Angry.
Hey,
Angry young man.
hello guys, this is early morning. We just rounding all the streets in Alcobar because we avoiding traffic. And now we are go back
Actually,
to
boss,
this
this
highway.
road is morning time is too much.
Yeah, everywhere.
And sometimes traffic police people block the road. And
Yeah.
it's, coming in, give the exit another way and more crowd coming.
Yes. Because he is managing how to avoid the traffic. So everybody are happy.
No problem, boss. Because morning time rush
Yeah.
hour everywhere.
Everybody are moving out.
No angry.
No.
Be cool.
Yeah, cool.
Yes.
Calm and cool. Relax.
Calm and clean.
Relax. Fasten your seat belt and go fly. Beijing, the taxi is 797. Please proceed to the airport basement
Proceed to the parking space.
parkings.
Ground floor.
Your passenger is waiting in the lobby now. Please proceed to come here. That Beijing lady she's a Filipino. Also like an elevator. Her voice is very pretty. Only her voice, pretty boss.
Face not pretty. Also, only people need this one. No need for this.
Yeah. Everybody needs
Yes, that is true. But you not need.
But OFW not need. Even you need nothing. You need only three solid lotion, RPM, cream,
Al-Falak.
Falak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Writing
This is
company.
Rene company, Al-Falak. He posted video yesterday. He's now not fat. He looks like younger now because he's always going to the gym. Exercise. Before he has a very big tummy. Now he's slim, like a younger teenager.
No problem.
Like you, boss. Always go to the gym. You know the Hawiya. He's in Hawiya.
This one is near Harad.
Yeah.
Before Harad.
Before we there in
Udaliya.
Aradia, Udaliya Hawiya. Near Harad. Kung ang buhay mo ay nalulumbay. I forgot to sing now. Tomorrow, this afternoon I will sing.
What's it?
I will sing, Mama Mobile. La la la
Song,
la 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 G la la G.
Okay.
And also I miss eating pizza. I have salary waiting for them to eat pizza.
I miss 1,100 rent.
Yeah.
You are miss pizza.
Yeah. Salary take I give again 2 months. Because problem very
No, this one is you see no thinking you
Yeah.
thinking only.
yeah. No, I think
Because me have project. I talking Shahad, please give me 1,100. I give you after 2 days, 3 days. Doesn't matter, right?
yeah, it's good too because there's no problem every end of the month. End of the month, my gosh. Gino is pregnant.
Congratulations.
Very big
Your
stomach.
grandfather.
Still not giving birth to his baby.
Still not searching what is Papa.
Yeah, maybe his baby father is a
Maybe Mark Papa.
cow or elephant. It's not good look when the small guy have
Zivak.
a very big stomach, like a it looks like a
Mummy.
snail walking, boss, crawling, yeah. Bringing his shell. Bringing its shell. Hello guys, we're still here now. We have
Goodyear
Goodyear
tire.
tire, nice American tire. All tires are now
No,
not
this one
good.
Goodyear original company is American.
Yeah, every tires now not last for 3 years, only 6 months, 1 year finish. Well,
No, you are talking absolutely right.
they put 3 years to use and 1 year warranty, and then after 1 year,
No warranty.
no warranty.
You can go to main head office.
No, and also the tire already explode. Bog. How can you? So every year you need to change your tire 4 pieces every year. Not and
May
then
know this year
How
Make
many?
it 12 piece.
See?
And 4 more coming. 2 more coming. No, 2, 6 more. 6. No, 6 finish.
6
Sorry,
minutes,
sorry.
huh?
2 more coming.
2 more.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I mistake.
2 more, huh? Not cancerous.
No, 2 is more, take it.
Not cancer, huh? Because 2 more.
Total 8.
To 8 for 6
1
months,
year,
1
1
year. See?
But company give 4. And
4 only.
4 from my pocket boss.
My gosh. Why like that?
Oh, tang na.
Because you are taxi, you need to change every time.
Yeah, because
You are always on the road running.
Yes.
24 hours running.
All time was traveling.
All the time. Going to Mitabisu, Madam,
Everyone.
everywhere.
You also boss.
Yeah, me also included. Hello guys, we are here now.
Chamber Tower.
Chamber Commerce and the Mom.
Saudi Business Center.
Yesterday we were just walking from here.
You
Shortcut.
are anywhere walking boss.
Sure.
You have free hand boss.
I'm also tired.
You have no problem, no issue.
Headache. Headache. Worley. Worley.
Because you are the big
You
boss.
are worthy. King of kings, Lord of lords. You are worthy. You know that song?
I not English song anymore.
I know your
I
song.
don't know, boss.
La la ji, la la ji, la la ji, la la ji, la
This
la
one is
ji,
running.
teri teri teri
No,
teri,
like
la la ji, la la ji. No, I will not continue because it's not good and that's in the middle. To teri 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 teri, la la ji, la la ji, la la ji, la la ji. Where's la la ji?
like he died.
No, I saw him one time in the road. He didn't talk back. Okay guys, bye bye.